GBP dollar has been catching a bid to the upside, supported by the dollar downside that we're observing at this moment in time, because there's the large de-escalation at the moment. No more strikes between US and Iran, and they're actually nearing a deal. Hormuz deal aiming for today, so we'll keep an eye on that because obviously that would be inflation, the inflation trade fading because oil price has been coming down, as I've already explained in the other breakdowns for dollar and euro. Oil price has been coming under pressure. Oil price come under pressure, that reduces inflation fears. Of course, it reduces inflation. The probability for rate hikes have been coming down if you look across the board there. So it's, at the moment, it's supportive of dollar downside, supportive of GBP dollar heading to the north. But you can just see we're stuttering a little bit. Market is just waiting for some further color and confirmation because they've been ups and downs throughout this whole thing. So they're not holding their breath, it seems, because at times we look like we're going to be getting a deal, and then next thing that talks are off. So treading carefully, especially heading to non-farm payrolls. If we look at structure at the moment, we're still obviously tilted to the upside. We've got this very key area of near-term liquidity here for GU at 34.20, which is supporting the price at the moment. We've still got higher highs, higher lows, but we're just stuttering a little bit. There's that lack of oomph at this moment in time. And bear in mind, obviously, we had heavy moves last week to the downside for the dollar. So market's just waiting for that full-on commitment, a reason for that full-on commitment to potentially sell the dollar. But obviously, a key area of liquidity is 99.50 for the Dixie to be broken down in order to see that wave of downside pressure. Guys, look, I could be blabbering on for a long time. I've got various resources, all this knowledge, various resources. Check out the link below. Also, my mentorship waitlist, the intake is going to be closing this Friday. So if you are interested in that, check it out and be ready for September. Let's go, Wibby.